welcome back to Rock It Don't Stock It, and today we're going to look at the size exclusive Air Max 1 What the Safari. Right, so we'll get into the basics of this shoe and then we'll move on to the on-foot video and we'll have a closer look at the details as well. So these were part of the Safari pack by the guys at Size. The pack consisted of Air Max 95 and these Air Max 1s, taking inspiration from the Air Safari from 1987, and I think that the guys did an amazing job to adapt that colourway onto the Air Max 1 and the 95. My only quarrel with the 95 is the midsole being all black. I feel as though it would have been slightly better in white. That pair might still be in stock size, but I know that the Air Max 1s have all sold out. On the original Safari pair, Air Safari, we would see a leather being used on the toe and on the heel rather than the mesh, but I think the mesh works well. So we'll have a look at the details. So we got the leather around the toe in the black Safari, got the same material running on here in the grey Safari print. We got the black swoosh in that black embossed Safari print there as well. Then we got the orange mesh, it's like a reinforced mesh, double layered on the toe. We've got the same mesh on the heel. White laces, got the tongue has got the same embossed Safari print with the embroidered Nike Air logo. The heel also has the Nike Air logo embroidered on there. The tongue is in a different material. It's sort of like a waterproof taupe sort of material going on there. I'm not sure what it is. If you know what it is, just let me know in the comments. So yeah, that's about it for the upper. And then we've got a white midsole. Outsole is consisting of the same colours on the upper, so the orange slash tan colour, black and grey on the front. Then the air bubble, keeping it simple, clear air bubble with black inside there. And I think that's about it. The insoles come like this, so you get your Safari branding there and the Nike Air logo along with the same Safari print, which is a nice little touch. In my opinion, one of the best Air Max 1s to release this year. I won't be keeping this pair, unfortunately, which I'll move on to. The details and the way in which they've adapted the Air Safari colour to fit the Air Max 1, especially switching to a mesh on the toe and on the heel, I think it works very well indeed. And the Atmos Air Max 1 Safari from 2003, I think this will be like a nice little inverted version of that pair. I mean, if you got both pairs, if you look at them together, they do seem like inverted colours of each other, so it does look a bit cool in that sense if you've got both. Retail price on these was £120. They fit true to size, so whatever size you usually are in Air Max 1, then grab that. These are an 8.5. I had no choice as this was the last size left, closer to the 8. I'm usually a size 8, so I grabbed the 8.5 and I was hoping they'd fit, but there's a tiny bit of room on the front, so won't be able to keep these unfortunately, although I'd like to. If I do come across a size 8, I'll probably pick those up, but 8.5 is just that little bit too big for me. So these are moving on, and just for the record, they're moving on for retail. We ain't making no money on these, we're just sending them on for what we bought them for, because that's how it is, that's how it should be. So that's the Air Max 1 Safari. I think we've covered everything on these. If you haven't copped already, have a look at the groups on eBay, see if you can find yourself a pair closer to retail as possible. But if you haven't copped these and you missed out, I'm not sure what you're doing because the quality and the details on these are pretty sick. And if you do get a chance to cop, I think you should and you won't regret it. So drop a like on the video, feel free to drop a comment, let me know what you think. We'll have an on foot video coming straight after this, and give me a follow on Instagram for some on foot photos and video clips, all that good stuff, at Rocket Don't Stock It. So that's that for these, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.